today Carol Thatcher is looking at something that sucks. The Hoover.
Why are you looking at me? Feet up.
Take a young couple, add a new house, new carpet, and you have the perfect setting for a new Hoover cleaner.
Now, of course, every home has got one, but only a vacuum cleaner was once the height of luxury. The first machine looked like this, built in America in 1908. It was so popular it even became a verb. I hoover, you hoover, he, she or it hoovers. In fact, a British inventor called Hubert Booth came up with the idea of vacuum cleaning in 1901. Unfortunately, his machine had to be pulled by a horse and the hose went through your front window. James Murray Spangler invented the portable cleaner and sold the idea to businessman William Hoover. Pity, Spanglering sounds much more fun. This is Jack Kopp. Jack's a one-show viewer with a passion. He'll tell you lots about Hoovers. Lots and lots and lots.
This is Model 700, made from 1926 to 1929. The reason why this one's important was because it was the first to introduce the agitator brush roll. This one here is Model 800, from about 1933 to 1935. This one was first to benefit from a headlamp to illuminate under furniture and in dark corridors. This one was £1,300 in today's money, and it was a status symbol like a luxury car would be today. Model 375, the Junior, it was cheap enough to be afforded by more people than the deluxe models. Equivalent in today's money of about £640.
What inspired you to start collecting Hoovers?
It's hard to remember back that far, really. I've been interested since I was a very small child.
Where better to show off Jack's 55 cleaners than the company's original British headquarters? It's empty now and looking for tenants. An Art Deco palace and a shrine to electrical appliances in the 1930s.
This building was very much their flagship. It helped very much to promote the image of Hoover in Britain as an ultra-modern, ultra-fashionable brand.
And this was the salesman's manual, hopefully to clinch a purchase on the doorstep.
Steps to making the sale. Approach the home briskly and in a business-like manner. Knock sufficiently to be heard the first time. Remove your hat when prospect appears. Smile.
Good morning. I am Mr. Sales.
Good morning.
I've come to make good our promise of cleaning one whole rug and one piece of furniture free.
No, thank you. I'm very happy with my current model.
But, madam, I can assure you that our equipment is most definitely the best on the market.
The vacuum cleaner became a status symbol, even a fashion accessory.
These high-button boots of grandmother's were all right in her day, but they're too old-fashioned for today's smart modern woman. She wants the newest, the latest, the smartest.
And since the 50s, they've come in all shapes and sizes. One model not in Jack's collection is the very first 1908 Hoover. This is a replica. This is the real thing. Unless you know better, it's the last 1908 original model left in the country. We'd love to hear, because I know one collection where a 1908 original would rarely fill a vacuum.
Everything you want to know about vacuum cleaners, and maybe a wee bit more.